how to use Pandabuy. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Pandabuy. Pandabuy is a popular tool that enables you to purchase products from Chinese online marketplaces like Taobao and Tmall and have them shipped to your country. With Pandabuy, you can browse products, compare prices, and place orders with ease. Whether you're a small business owner, an online reseller, or just looking to buy products from China, Pandabuy makes it simple and affordable. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Pandabuy step by step so you can get started shopping from China with confidence. And let's start guys. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to pandabuy.com and you would be redirected to this page over here. Now before we do anything else, we're first going to log in or sign up if you don't have an account in Pandabuy. We're going to click on sign up. Now in this section, you're going to have to select your country. As you can see, it is automatically selected for me. But if you click this, you would be able to see all of these different options that we have that you could use for your account. We're going to stick with our country for now. Over here, you can enter a username, for example, Caesar. And then you could enter your email and then your password that you would like to have. And then enter a verification code over here. After filling in your information, you're simply going to click on sign up. And as you can see here, our registration is a success and we would be able to activate our Pandabuy account with the link sent to our email inbox. As you can see here, this is our verification link. So we're simply going to click on the link provided and we would be redirected back to Pandabuy wherein our account would be activated as you can see here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on return Pandabuy. And as you can see here, we're back here. Now we're going to go and log in. You're going to enter your email, password, and your verification code over here. And just like that, our account is now logged in into our Pandabuy account. As you can see here, when we click this, we would be able to access user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and logout. And now let's begin with our tutorial in Pandabuy. Now as you can see here, we have a quick view of the steps needed to shop from China and to shop with Pandabuy. As you can see here, we're going to place our orders and then it will submit parcels to their warehouses where we will be able to check the quality and then it will send the product directly to us and we will be able to receive and share our product. Scrolling down, you could also see the different services in this website. As you can see, you could purchase orders on this website. You could ship them to the warehouse and then quality check them and then global ship them to your place. Although this is very tedious and a lot of stuff, it is a very good services because you would be able to quality check your product before they even send the product to you. That is very important in online shopping because most online stores will just send the product to you and you won't be able to find out the quality of the product until the product arrives in your doorstep. So this step and process of Pandabuy is actually very useful because you would be able to check the product before they will be able to send the product back to you. Now I'm going to teach you how you can buy in Pandabuy. As you can see here, we have this big search bar over here. And this is where you will be able to put in the product link or the name or the shop of whatever product that you would like to buy. For example, you could do this on AliExpress or in Google if you have any link that you would like to have to be searched. You could also upload an image over here and it will search for products that are similar to your product that you are looking for. So that is what we're going to test out right now. Now over here in Google, I have searched a product that I would like to find in our Pandabuy. So we're simply going to download the image that we have over here, just like that. And we're going to go to our Pandabuy and we're going to upload the image, just like that. As you can see here on the top right, we can see that our image is over here. And as you can see right now, it's providing us with the list of products that it has found that are similar to the video or that is similar to the photo that we have provided, which is this one over here. And as you can see, they are pretty similar with most of these products. As you can see here, this is very similar with their product over here, although not exactly the same. it has a lot of similarities that you could have and have as an alternative for your product. As you can see here, actually this is very similar, not that similar, but very similar. So we're going to click on this product over here that we like, and it will redirect us to the product page of our selected product. Now over here, like every other online shopping websites, you would be able to see information about the product. Over here, you could see the title over here. You could see how much it would cost and the domestic shipping, the where it would be sent to. This is our warehouse over here. We could also choose the size over here. For example, we have 3XL only. This is the only size that is available right now, so we're going to go with it. We could click on the color over here and the quantity over here. As you can see here, also you could zoom in into your product and see information or like details about the product that you would like to buy. You could also visit the store of the specific product over here by clicking this button over here or enter shop over here. So you would be able to check out all the different products being sold by the specific shop. As you can see here, we would be able to see all the different products that we saw, and as you can see over here, we are able to see all the different products that is being sold in this specific store in Pandabuy. As you can see here, this is this shop, and this is the product that we are trying to buy. And over here, what we're going to do next is we're going to select a domestic shipping over here. We're going to click on which warehouse. Oh, right now the only available warehouse is Huzhou 3 over here, just like that. And over here, you could check your international delivery by clicking this. We would be redirected to our shipping location over here. Our shipping fee estimate, where we will be able to have an estimate on how much it would cost to have the product delivered to us. So what you're simply going to do in this section is you're going to enter your destination. You're going to look for your country that you would like it to be delivered to. As you can see here, I'm going to select Philippines. Select that, and we're going to select the warehouse. We have Huzhou 3, which is the available warehouse for the specific product, just like that. And over here, we have mail restriction, basically what type of product that we have or what type of product we are trying to buy. We have clothing, and over here, we're going to choose common brand. I don't know if this is a common brand, but we're going to go with common brand. For now, let's double check if there's any information about this. There's no information about that specific information, so we're going to go with common brand for now, just like that. And for the weight, I don't know if we can see the weight, but let's assume that this will weigh at least 1,000 kilograms, just like that. For the length, we're going to go with 50, 50, and 50. This is for randomly for now, but for this, you're going to have to find out the proper sizing for a specific product so that you would be able to type in the proper length, width, and height for this section over here. But for now, we're going to go with this. We're going to click on Inquire. And as you can see here, it's going to show us estimate of how much it would cost. As you can see here, we have EMS, and it is going to cost 119 yuan. And the transit time is 5 to 17 days. And it will arrive in Huzhou 3 warehouse. As you can see here, there's also another version over here, which is 1,105.60 yuan, which is way more expensive than this. There's also higher transit time over here, but it is on the same warehouse as well. As you can see here, also we have other options, but there is restrictions on our section over here that they cannot agree with, and it's not going to allow us to use any of these other options as long as we are not reaching the proper requirements in this section to unlock this different delivery service as well. As you can see here, restricted reason, package weight should not be higher than 20,000 grams over here, as you can see. And what you're going to do is you would be able to see the shipping fee over here. You can also click on see details so that you would be able to see more information about this delivery service. As you can see here, it is usually 8 to 15 days most of the time, and sometimes 16 to 25 days. As you can see here, more information in this section. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go back here. And what you're going to do next is you're going to click on Add to Cart. We're also going to have to agree with the terms over here. Click on add to cart. And as you can see, our product is added to our cart. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on our icon over here on the top right and click on orders. And over here, you're going to click on the cart section. We weren't able to see cart section over here, so we click on orders so that we would be able to access the cart section over here. As you can see here, we have our product. We're simply going to click this. If we click this, we would be redirected back to this page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the checklist over here, and we would be able to select the specific product, and we're going to click on submit, just like that. And in this section, we would be able to enter information on how they would be able to deliver our product. We're simply going to enter our destination over here. You're going to look for your country, just like that. And after doing that, you're simply going to click on submit order over here, and you would be able to order the specific product. Now, how Pandabuy works, like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, is that they would send this product into the warehouse, and then in the warehouse, they won't send it directly to you yet. You're going to have to check it on their warehouse, check the quality, make sure that it is the correct product, make sure that there is no damage. You would be able to see information about the product before they will be able to send it to you. After confirming it with them that the product has no issues and that this is the product that you want to have, they would send the product to your location, and then you would be able to receive the product that you want to buy. And like I said also earlier, it might be a lot of steps and it might be difficult or annoying for you, but this is a very good process because in most online store, they would just send the product to you and you wouldn't be able to confirm the quality and make sure that it isn't a fake product that they are trying to send you. And if you understand what I said, you're simply going to click on submit order, and you would be able to order the specific product that you want. Now, if you weren't able to find a product using the image method over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to AliExpress and you're going to download the image in this section instead, and you're going to upload it in the product link over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.